This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying connectivity and eliminating local issues. First, make sure your device is on the network, then ping a stable IP like 8 to confirm packets leave your machine. Once done, open the unreachable URL in another browser or an incognito window to rule out cache and extension interference. If that fails, quickly reboot your modem or router and your computer, and check ISP status lights or outage messages. This clears many transient failures, so you can move to deeper fixes. Next, focus on name resolution and routing because many sites fail due to DNS or path issues. Change your DNS to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8 and test again. This often resolves bogus or poisoned records. Then flush your DNS cache so stale entries are removed. After that, run traceroute or tracert to the host to see where packets die. This reveals ISP, peering, or server-side blocks. Make sure to note hop numbers and latency spikes to guide your next actions. Finally, use advanced bypass and escalation steps to regain access. Try a reputable VPN or Tor to circumvent routing, geo, or ISP blocks. This tests whether the restriction is network level. Inspect your host's file and firewall rules and cautiously disable security software just for testing, then re-enable. If the site remains unreachable, gather your traceroute and DNS test logs and contact the site admin or your ISP for support. If needed, switch to a different network like a mobile hotspot to confirm whether the problem is local or external.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.